How do I execute a program or call a system command in Python? Introduction. Python applications sometimes need to interact with the operating system. Examples include running shell commands, launching external programs, automating scripts, executing Git commands, calling Docker Kubernetes tools, interacting with system utilities. A very common Python question is, how do I execute a program or call a system command? Python provides several ways to do this, but the recommended modern solution is the subprocess module. This topic explains how to execute commands in Python, the subprocess module, capturing output, handling errors, security considerations, best practices, common mistakes. This is a very important backend and automation topic. The modern recommended approach. Python recommends using subprocess instead of older methods like os.system. Basic example using subprocess.run. Import subprocess. Subprocess.run. Echo hello. Output hello. Why use a list? Recommended echo hello instead of echo hello because
Safer. Avoids shell parsing issues.
reduces command injection risks. Executing external programs. Example, import subprocess. Subprocess run Python-version, capturing command output. By default, output goes directly to terminal. To capture it, import subprocess. Result equals subprocess.run Python ---- version. Capture output true, text true. Print result.stdout. Understanding the result object. Subprocess.run returns completed process. Contains property, meaning stdout standard output, stderr error output, return code exit status. Example, print result.return code. Output 0 usually means clutch success. Running shell commands. Sometimes shell features are needed. Example, subprocess.run dir shell true. Windows example, Linux macOS. Subprocess.run ls-l shell equal true. Important security warning. Using shell true can be dangerous with user input. Possible risk. Mech command injection attacks. Safer alternative. Prefer subprocess.run ls-l. Example, handling errors import subprocess. Try subprocess.run invalid command check true. Except subprocess called process error as e. Print command failed. What check equals true does. If command fails, capitalized, exception is raised automatically. Running commands asynchronously. Use subprocess.popen. Example, process equals subprocess.popen. Python script.py allows capital K background execution, capital A advanced process control. Internal execution flow. Python code. Dash operating system. Create new process. Execute command. Return output status. Real-world examples. Git automation. Subprocess run. Git status. Docker command. Subprocess run. Docker ps. Kubernetes command. Subprocess run. kubectl. Get pods.
Example result equals subprocess.run. Whoami. Capture output true, text true.
Print result.stdout. Difference between run and Popen. Feature run Popen. Simple execution. Check. Check. Waits automatically. Check. Background process. Check. Streaming output. Limited. Check. Why os.system is older. Example. Import os. os.system ls. Still works, but limited functionality. X. Poor output handling. X. Less secure. Modern Python prefers check subprocess. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Using shell equals true unnecessarily can create security vulnerabilities. 2. Forgetting text equals true. Without it, output is bytes, not normal strings. 3. Ignoring return codes. Always check command success. 4. Not handling exceptions. Commands can fail unexpectedly. Best practices. Use subprocess.run for simple commands. Use argument lists instead of shell strings. Avoid shell true unless necessary. Capture and validate output. Handle errors properly. Use Popen only for advanced process management.
Advantages of subprocess. Secure.
Flexible. Captures output easily. Cross-platform support. Supports advanced process control. Simple definition subprocess. A Python module used to start and manage external system processes and commands. Simple definition system command execution, running external programs or shell commands from Python code. Final summary. Python executes system commands primarily using subprocess.run. Example. Import subprocess. Subprocess.run. Echo hello. 4. Output capture. Capture output equals true. Best practice. Avoid shell true unless required. Prefer argument lists for security. Key idea. The subprocess module is the modern, secure, and flexible way to execute external programs and system commands in Python.